Welcome to this step-by-step guide on using the SanketLife 2 handheld ECG device. This pocket-sized ECG machine lets you take a 12-lead ECG without wires or gel anytime, anywhere. In this video, we'll cover what is SanketLife 2, its key features and components, how to record a 12-lead ECG with proper lead placement, and precautions for accurate results. So stay tuned and learn how to take an ECG in just minutes. SanketLife 2 is a compact handheld ECG device that connects to the SanketLife app on your smartphone via Bluetooth. It can record single lead as well as 12-lead ECG without needing bulky wires or electrodes. Before using the device, let's understand its key components and how they work. This device uses a 3-sensor system to record ECG. It does not use gel or electrodes. Instead, it relies on dry contact sensors. It works by detecting biopotentials directly from the skin through differential voltage measurement. While standard ECGs capture electrical signals from multiple angles simultaneously, SanketLife 2 records one lead at a time and then reconstructs the 12-lead data. This is the right sensor where you place the right thumb. It is marked with R for right. This is the left sensor designed for left thumb placement and is marked with L for left to help with identification. This one is the side sensor and is used for recording chest leads including V1 to V6 and lead 2. This is LED indicator and it displays the power status of the device. On the back of the device, you will find the power button. To switch on the device, press the power button once. To turn it off, long press the same button. Remember to switch it off after use to conserve battery life. Now that we have introduced the SanketLife device and its key components, let's move on to the step-by-step process of recording an ECG. To begin, download the SanketLife app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and register yourself. Now switch on the device and click on ECG to pair it. Keep the Bluetooth turned on. For the first time setup, hold the right and left sensors with your thumbs to register the device. This is a one-time process. Once registered, the device will connect automatically when switched on and the app is opened. Sit in a comfortable position with feet flat on the floor, arm and back supported, and legs should not be crossed. Stay relaxed and calm, no talking. The body should be in a resting position. No electrical wires should be connected nearby. Hands should not touch each other while taking the recording. Minimize movement and avoid metal objects that may cause interference. Locate the power button on back of the device. Press once to turn it on. The LED indicator will light up. Open the SanketLife app and select ECG. Choose the touch-based ECG option. To begin ECG recording, place your right thumb on the right sensor and left thumb on the left sensor. A timer will start and lead 1 ECG will be recorded for 15 seconds. Keep hands steady and do not move during the process. For lead 2, keep the right thumb on the right sensor and place the side sensor on the flank. below the costal margin in the mid-axillary line. Hold steady until the reading is complete. Now we'll see the placement and recording of chest leads V1 to V6. For V1, place the side sensor at the right side of the sternum in the fourth intercostal space while holding the right sensor with the right thumb. Palpate the sternal angle and count the intercostal spaces from this landmark. The position of the side sensor for V2 should be left side of the sternum in the fourth intercostal space. The position of side sensor for V4 is left mid-clavicular line in the fifth intercostal space, and the position of V3 is in between V2 and V4. So V3 will be here between V2 and V4. Now V4 is in left mid-clavicular line in the fifth intercostal space. V5 is in left anterior axillary line in the fifth intercostal space. V6 is in left mid-axillary line in the fifth intercostal space. The augmented leads AVR, AVL, and AVF and lead 3 are calculated automatically after all other leads are recorded. Once all the leads have been reported, click on Generate Report to create a PDF. You can save, print, share, or send the report to a doctor for interpretation. To turn off the device, long press the power button. Wipe the sensors with a soft, dry cloth. Store the device in a dry place away from moisture and extreme temperature. For best results, keep hands and skin dry. Avoid talking or moving during the recording. Avoid metal objects like rings and bracelets. Ensure Bluetooth and Internet are on for smooth connectivity and report generation. That's how you can record an ECG using the SanketLife 2 device. Simple, fast, and convenient. Make sure to follow the correct lead placements for accurate readings. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay connected.